MySql or Oracle database using JDBC API. We need one package called java.sql.star. It imports all the classes and the interfaces. To connect to any database, we need to have a driver manager class and the connection statement interfaces. Driver manager class loads specific driver and gives connection object. Using connection object, you can create a statement. Using statement object, you can execute any SQL statement. It can be either DDL statement or DML statement. So in this video we are going to connect to MySql database from JSP page. So JSP page is nothing but is another servlet. That means it has init method, service method and destroy method. We need to override jspInit method, JspDetroy method, because JSP page is also servlet. This page is compiled into a servlet, translated, initialized and loaded. Service method listens for requests. Finally, it will be destroyed by the web container. We need specific database drivers. I am using MySql 8. For this, MySql connector Java 8.0 1.9 jar file required. In some cases, we may have to register a specific driver or a driver name. So, we are using Maven for this. These are the group ID for MySql connector Java, the version number. If you are going to use Oracle database, this is the, let's cut and paste it here. I already pasted here. Then update the, we have drivers now. We need to build a JSP page. First create a new JSP page. JDBC JSP .jsp. Click OK. MySql JDBC demo. First step is we need to import a package. Import java.sql.star. Then we need to, second step, we need to implement these classes. We need to implement these classes in a jspInit and a JspDetroy. We'll see what. Public void jspInit. driver manager class loads the specific driver and gives connection object get connection. Takes three parameters. One is URL JDBC MySql localhost 3306. I am using MyDB. User root, I am using this password. Set your own password. URL user pass. It gives us a connection object. Okay, let's see. Connection object gives statement object. Once you are done this, instead of putting here, you can put it in the top. Initialization is done. Now we need to execute the query. Statement execute query, which accepts a SQL statement. Select star from games. I have a games table in MySql database. You see that these are the fields I have: ID, title, platform, score. And select from games. These are the three records I have, so I am using the table. Execute query actually returns a result set. It has many methods, but we need only two. rs dot next. We have four fields. First one is a ID integer, title is a varchar, platform is varchar, score is a floating point. rs dot column index starts from 1. rs dot get string rs dot get string 3 rs dot get root. There is a print writer object is there. You can print output to response object. Break the line, and finally we need to implement or override JSP destroy method. Public void JSP destroy. In this, close the database connection objects. Statement dot close connection dot close. Here we can print header. Reset ID, title, platform, and score. Table tr. Finally close the tr. That's it. Just run the application. I am using Tomcat 9.0. Just there is a error, unable to connect, because it throws an exception called create statement on line 18. So we need to catch that exception. Try. If want this error message, declare a variable error message x equal to x. Sorry. This message get message. And JSPDetroy also throws an exception, same SQL exception. We need to catch that. now dot println message. Now run the program. Here are the values displaying on the bottom. In the database also we have same values. Same thing here, but headers are displayed on the bottom. Let's see how to fix it. Table we did not close it. Now run the program. Now we got it. ID, title, platform. Platform is a PlayStation, one is PC, another one is Xbox. Score values. MySql down. Let's close all these things. Same thing you can do for Oracle database also. So for this we need to change the URL and username, password also. URL I copied. No. Okay. JDBC Oracle thin driver localhost. It runs at 421 and your SID name Vara DB1. I am using Vara DB1. Just change it according to your username is HR. Password is okay. Now let's run it. Just no changes at all. I already have a table called games in Oracle database also. DSC games. It has 4 fields: ID, title, platform, score. Same. And we need to see whether it executes or not. It executed successfully from Oracle database. I have same 4 fields and select star from games. It has same data and displayed here. That's it. Thank you.